No, oh, Zoe, you can't be over there while I throw it. Move, guys. Watch. Come here, I'm trying to videotape you. No. Ah! Oh, this is going to be a crazy video. No, you need to sit still. Zoe. Okay, what would you do if I just let you go? What'd you find? You found Doggy Vito? Where's your toy? Oh, he's gonna do it. Watch! Zoe, watch! Vito! Come on! Come here, Vito! Oh, he knows Sierra is waiting for him to pounce. Come on, Vito! Let's go! Oh, he says I can't. She's gonna get me. Uh-oh. I thought that was locked. Move. No, no. Watch your fingers. Oh, you stinker. No, no, no. Well, come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, you get into everything. Vito, come here. There. She likes when Vito jumps. Alright, let's see if I can get him to do it one more time. Vito! Careful. Come here, guys. See her. Drop it. Watch Zoe. You missed it! Stay back. Come on, Vito! Come on, Vito! Vito, come on! Alright, I gotta turn it off before she gets into more stuff. Where's the button?